Before we look at the comparison chart, let's go over some important terms first. Copayment, also called a copay. This is the flat dollar amount that you pay for certain services, like office visits and prescriptions. Coinsurance, the percentage of a dollar amount that you pay for certain services. The amount varies depending on the total charge for a service. Deductible, a fixed dollar amount you must pay each year before the plan pays for services that require coinsurance. Maximum out-of-pocket. This is the most you will pay for services in any given year. It includes your copays, deductible, and coinsurance for eligible expenses. It does not include premiums. The comparison chart lets you view and compare all the plans at once. You should compare office visit copays, prescription cost sharing, coinsurance amounts, the deductible, and max out-of-pocket costs. Remember, you have a $0 cost share for in-network preventive services like physicals, screenings, mammograms, immunizations, and annual well woman visits when those are billed as preventive care, no matter which plan option you choose. You can view the benefit comparison chart on the Partners for Health website. Follow the on-screen instructions or scan the QR code with your mobile device.